Good morning, YouTube. Yep, good morning. To wake you guys up, upload the Civic 4251 S20 as always, and then the 270 SPO. Reset. Cut the power and turn it back on. How about disconnect the power? So the train's alive. There we go. So you shouldn't mess with this. It's gonna go back into trouble. You're gonna reset the pole station. Because those lights. Dodge the resistor trouble. Real That's a cool trick about these firelight panels. Nothing happens if you pull the fire alarm. This is a good thing. You pull the same device over and over. And it means you need to reset the panel, which, yeah, it's a cool trick. So I don't stay on my phone as always, and yes, stay on my panel. I have dogs, 3 dogs, and 2 kittens named Mia and Murdoch, which, if you haven't seen those videos in the playlist, I recommend watching the playlist, the Mia and Murdoch playlist. It's also going into trouble. That's not a dog hair right here. This isn't dog hair. This is my doll Macy. I have a doll named Macy. She's a blue hair doll. Then pull it again. I kept putting it in the pan though, because I don't want it to shock me. There we go. Dodge all those troubles. Now we can reset. Anyways, that's it.